everybody. So we're going to show you how we amend our soil for the gardening beds. Basically what you can see here, this is the first like 12-inch a foot of soil from the native ground, so it's a little bit better. But you can see we deal with red clay, which is that pile back there that matches the orange color of the Kubota that he's behind. So that is the actual soil. If you dig deeper than a foot, that's what it's going to look like. We're going to put it over here, amend it with the topsoil, and then also we have the chicken manure that we purchased from over there. So we're going to mix it all together, show you layer by layer how it's done, and then we'll go from there. So heavy, he's three-wheeling it. Papa Willie over there with the poop. So he's not getting the soil from that pile because we were trying to create a hedge over there, plant some wild sunflower so that people on the other side can't see into the property. But he's getting the mulch, I believe, from back over there and then bringing it around. So if these flower beds don't grow, it's not because I'm not trying, but if they don't grow, gonna sell off everything and move back into the city. That's always our joke. If we can't get things to grow with the stuff that we have, we're moving back to the city. So this is the mulch. Okay, so bottom layer is just the topsoil. Then, of course, the chicken manure. Then we add a layer of sand and now a layer of mulch. Now he's going to just mix it all together. And then once he's done with that, we're going to put in the garden bed. Voila! Now we have our own compost mixed in very nicely. And now we get ready to put it into the flower bed. You can see over here, or I think the hubby might. You want to show him? What? Whatever you're going to do with the shovel?
I was just going to,
till it a little?
Get a closer look.
There's our closer look. Oh, it's hard to see. But basically, it's all mixed in there. Sand with
dirt.
Clay, dirt, mulch, and fertilizer. So, very well drainable compared to the red clay that we have over there. That's what we're having to do. So, this is a really good mixture. And then we've already put quite a few into the garden bed over here. I got everything watered in and situated. You can see this is what it will eventually turn out to look like. We got that huge, big bed to put in. He started doing some over here already. You can see here, and then we're filling this whole entire bed all the way around. So that way, I'll have this area of this beautiful garden. Like I said, if nothing grows in this topsoil compost that we generated, then definitely we're gonna sell everything and move back into the city. At least that's what he said. He'll keep on doing that until he fill up this whole entire bed, which is a lot. because it expands all the way to over here. You can see if we leave the native soil, it would just be so difficult to dig and grow anything in here. And with the amount of rain we have, everything would just die and drown. At least that's what I experienced. I know a lot of you garden in this soil too, so it's definitely a challenge, but we want to put in the effort now so that our garden will grow for years to come. So, like over here, this is what it would look like. And then, of course, we'll end up putting a layer of mulch on top once I've finished planting everything. Alright, still a work in progress, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please continue to watch and see what the final stages of this garden will look like. I hope you all are having a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, everybody.